We divide 867 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 6 and it is 26. 3 times 8 is 24. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 7 and it is 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting we get 0. So 867 divided by 3 is 289. So this much for today and thanks for watching.